Guns up and ready. Watch to the right, to the left. I'm getting right. Take.
That's our guy. That's our guy. That's our guy.
That's our guy.
Alright.
See if the red dot. Okay, it's flashing. Okay.
All right. Let's advance up this creek bed. Josh, you have any cover?
Does someone want to go high?
No, there's no cover up there.
Where's Arthur? Set up where you were last time. Go. We got you.
You want to move up there to those friendlies up there? Let's get diamond formation, like go free throw. So.
All right, go right. You sit up left, kind of a little bit to the left.
Behind that tree right there. Is that our guy?
Yeah, that's our guy.
Right.
I think.
Come on, make your move, guys. We're good, right?
You set up a little bit in front of Arthur.
Let's move up along the creek bed. See if we can find position.
Cover. Go.
Oh wait, stop. Jimmy, scout up the area. See if there's any cover up there.
Top left. Top left.
Top left?
Yeah, he's up there.
There he is. Contact. Contact. Let him cross.
Jamar. Get the towel, get the towel. Here, I'll hold your gun. I'll hold your gun. Hold this. Oh my gosh, this thing's horrible. Here, gun. Stop it! Oh, hit!
2 minutes!
Where?
Trying to get out of the frame.
Not yet.
Oh, screw it, I'm gonna pull it auto.
Alright, stop. Not yet. We gotta move up if we're gonna throw that here. You see him? That's them. No. Wait. If you can get it through there, throw it now. It's fine. Go. Keep moving up. Stop moving.